join for free, and kids in every neighborhood belong. It's a funny company, 'cause it's just for fun, you see. So come a-running when you hear our song. Come to order, says our president. And when the funny company meets, here's just what we present. Things to see,
Good things to do.
stories, toys, all sorts of things of interest, and fun for girls and boys. Good grief, what's that contraption, Jasper?
That's my speed machine. I turn this crank and it shakes you up and wakes up tired blood cells so that the subject can move with superhuman speed.
It won't hurt Terry, will it?
No, it's harmless. He'll just move very fast.
You know, I've been too easy with these brats. I'm going to put them out of commission really good this time. Then I take my time stealing Jasper's speed machine.
Here goes.
It tickles
How do you feel?
like a milkshake.
Let's go run around the block and see how fast you are.
I already ran around the block.
Wowee! Gee!
Was that me?
We ought to enter you in a race.
But races are for people. Terry's an animal.
He could run in a horse race.
Or a sulky race.
A sulky?
A sulky. It's used in a wonderful racing sport called harness racing. Now, the sulky is a small, lightweight, two-wheel vehicle pulled by these wonderful harness racing horses. They are what is known as standard-bred horses, in contrast to the thoroughbred horses that carry racing riders on their backs. Now, harness racing dates way back to the 1800s in this country, and it's one of the most exciting and colorful of all racing events.
Oh, it sounds fascinating.
It is. Harness races start from a running position behind a moving starting gate.
Oh, that's being pulled by a car.
Right. Then when they cross the start line, the gate is drawn back and the race is on. These harness racing horses run in one of two gaits, G-A-I-T, that is, which means a stepping pattern. First, there are pacers. The pacer swings its right front leg and right hind leg forward at the same time. The trotter, however, moves its left front leg and right hind leg forward at the same time. Now, if a horse breaks its gait during the race, he must be pulled over to the outside of the track until he resumes his proper gait and then goes back in.
That would make him lose valuable time.
Well, some tracks are a half-mile long, others a mile, and among either pacers or trotters, a mile in 1 minute and 57 or 8 seconds is championship racing.
Boy, that's fast.
Pacers are generally faster than trotters, but it's interesting to note that about 99 out of every 100 harness horses racing today can be traced back to one horse.
What horse was that?
His name was Hambletonian, and he's the real great-great-granddaddy of this horsey set. Weisenheimer, galloping off.
Well, here's your harness.
Let's get you harnessed up.
Oh, see? X marks spot. I touch X with stick where funny company brats spring their own trap. Oh! I'll clobber them all. Get it rigged up fast again.
All set, Terry?
Violet, hang on tight, honey. He's really fast.
All set again. They've got to come by here. Got to get glasses and seeing green flashes.
I told them 5 times around the block. They ought to be back. Any minute?
Something went by, but the trap didn't.
Gee, Mr. Laguna, did you have an accident?
Yes, darling. You might say Mr. Laguna had a little accident. Oh, I hate those kids.
And now it's time to go. We hope you liked our show. And we'll be back as quick as 1, 2, 3. And when we meet again, we hope you'll be here then.